Hi, my name is Ricardo Dinis. I'm Aveda's Global Artistic Director for Haircutting, and I'm here to answer any of your curly-haired questions. What are my favorite products for curly hair? Well, curly hair is such a big thing right now, and it can come in many different variations and textures, such as low or high density, as well as coily and wavy. The Be Curly collection is my go-to for any curly hair type. It has hydrolyzed wheat protein, as well as the certified organic aloe blend, which really helps enhance the waves and curls. Curly hair may be more prone to dryness and needs proper hydration. Scalp health is another huge factor in producing natural oil. So I like to use the Promisana scalp cleanser to help restore natural levels of sebum on the scalp. For volume, I pair the Be Curly line with volumizing tonic and Confixor liquid hair gel for weightless definition and shine. I personally love Sap Moss shampoo and conditioner with a touch of Nutriplenish multi-use oil just through the ends. The Nutriplenish line is a great option for lightweight hydration and to tame frizz and flyaways. Whatever Aveda products you use, it is important to be delicate with the hair and apply the product in sections. I have my favorite Aveda products, but you should customize to your specific hair type. Visit your local Aveda salon or aveda.com to learn more.